Have you ever wondered why we get hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, contracts suddenly and involuntarily. This triggers air to rush into your lungs, and then your vocal cords snap shut, creating that hic sound. They can be caused by eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or even feeling stressed or excited. Sometimes, a sudden change in temperature can also irritate the diaphragm or the nerves controlling it. To stop hiccups, try holding your breath, sipping cold water, or gently pressing on your diaphragm. These tricks can help relax the muscle and stop the spasms. To prevent them, eat slowly, avoid carbonated drinks, and stay calm under stress.